So after the initial test with the turbo kit, everything looks good. We're going to go through and kind of do a nut and bolt check on it. But one thing that I was going to change, just because since it works so good and I can't leave well enough alone, we're going to try out the dump pipe. Hoping it's not like real loud, because you know the turbo, the spoolie thing is a muffler itself. But we're going to try this. Got a little day trip. We're going to go tomorrow just to kind of check it out and do a little bit more sand testing. That way we have just a hair bit of actual testing, where I mostly ride this before we take it out to Dune Fest, and we'll be there for a week really. I'll be